Namaskar. Welcome in the classroom. Today's lesson is Bhramari, the spins and turns. The first one is Chakra Bhramari. With bowl, Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita, A. Kunchita Bhramari, the second one. Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita, A. Next, Ekapada Choka Bhramari. Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita. Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita. The fourth one, Beshtita Bhramari. Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita. Next, Anga Bhramari. Here, you have to rotate your upper body in a circular way. With bowl, Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita, A. Here is a side view for your better understanding. Number 6 is Viparita Bhramari. Viparita means opposite. Here the term comes for opposite torso movement. For your right Tribhanga, you have to shift on Bamachara and then again on Tribhanga. So with bowl, Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita. Here the last one, Utpluta Parsini Begini Bhramari. With bowl, a side view for better understanding. Dhin, Tinak, Tinita, Tinak, Tinidin, Tinak, Tinita, A.